channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just an update of what's going on with One Bad 392. I'm working on mods, aesthetic mods for now, because it already has a K&N high flow air filter. I installed a Big Boz 5 muffler or exhaust system. Sounds pretty good. Gives it more like a stock sound compared to what it was sounding like when I got it from the dealership. Because if you guys remember in the video when I was going to do the mid muffler delete, they had already cut all the mid mufflers out and all that kind of stuff. So when the dealership got it, they had a stock exhaust put on it with some dampeners. So when I installed the Big Boz, had them cut the stock muffler off, installed the Big Boz, left the dampeners on because I wasn't really sure how loud it was going to be. I didn't want it to be obnoxious, super loud. You know, I didn't want it to be super loud, especially inside the vehicle. So I left the dampeners on, but in hindsight, I don't know, maybe sometime this summer, I'll have those dampeners taken off, wake it up a little bit more. Sorry to my neighbors, but that's my future plan with it. I do have some other mods that I plan on doing. I'm going to change the lug nuts to some spike lug nuts. Going to change the side markers to LEDs. I got my window stickers for my YouTube channel. Got my tail light tint and all that stuff. So I got to wait for the weather to break a little bit. I think it's a little bit too cold to try to fool with that tint right now. My garage is not heated. But the first chance I get, I'll get that done and I'll share that with you guys. But I'm going to do these side markers today and the lug nuts. I got a couple little errands I need to knock out. So I figure I'd knock out this video and share with you guys what's going on. Then I'll also give you some revs of this Big Boz system so you guys can hear what it sounds like on the outside, because this is kind of what it sounds like on the inside. Not a bad sound. Did muffle a lot of the interior noise, which is good. I just didn't want it so loud that you have to yell at the person sitting in the passenger seat and they really close to you. So again, I'm thinking about taking those dampeners off. But right now, that's the update on what's going on. I'm gonna add to this video, give you some B-roll clips of some exhaust sounds from the outside. Show you some of the work that I'll probably do today, as far as changing the lug nuts and the side markers and stuff. So I'm not going to do a do-it-yourself video because you guys seen a million of them on YouTube already. I'll just show you the finished product. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, man. All right, man, we're at the location. So give you guys some revs that I promised on the first part of the video, man. But I want to take a quick look around because we haven't seen her in a while. So stay tuned. Man, there she is. I know we haven't seen her in a while, man, but she's still like that. Yes, sir. Yeah, we haven't seen her in a good little while. Take this quick walk around, get the camera set up, man. Get you guys some revs real quick with the new Boz 5 system. Big Boz, man. Y'all remember, got the purple tips. All right, stay tuned. Halfway decent idle, man. All right, guys, I got you the revs. Kind of wrapping up the Big Boz 5 video. I got some other stuff, some other mods I want to talk to you guys about. Just installed the pedal box about 2 days ago, the pedal box pro. I'll get you guys a video on that. But if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, man, please do so. Like this video, share, and welcome to One Bad 392 Nation. Peace and love.